Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about how we can reset the engine oil check light on Holden Captiva. This is a 2012 model. So let me switch on the light so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, there is the engine oil check light. Wait for it. That one. We need that one gone. Without the use of computer or laptop, we can do it manually, and it won't even cost you anything. Okay, instead of being charged $100 to get it diagnosed by a machine, we're gonna do it here for free. Okay, here goes. You switch off the car like this, right? And then you put the key to the on position like that. Then you press your pedal, your accelerator for 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, and then you start. Then it should disappear just like that. See, and then voila, it's gone. So guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.